Hey, maybe you are trying to install Windows 11 in your computer, but you cannot find out the real process how you can make a pen drive bootable. So I have a pen drive here. You can see this one, and I will download the softwares required. Just simply go to your browser, and going to the browser, if you search for Windows 11 ISO file, then you will get some options like Windows 11 ISO file download 64-bit. Just simply click on the first link, and then after clicking here you will have different options here. First you can see installation assistant, and then create Windows 11 installation media, and in the third option you will get this one, which is required, and simply select the Windows 11, and after selecting just click on confirm, and it will start downloading. Okay, so you should select the language as well. I'm going to select this one, and just clicking on confirm, I will see it will be going to the next stage, and I'll be able to download them. And if you click here, it will start downloading. So I do not need to download this one because I have downloaded this before. And here is another software that you need, which is called YUMI. YUMI. Okay, it should be YUMI bootable download. Okay, so after clicking here, and you will see this link, just simply click on that link and go downstairs, find out these option which are required. Okay, just simply click on YUMI PY or YUMI EFAT or YUMI FI. So simply click on this, and then you will see it will be downloaded. So I don't need to download this one because I have downloaded YUMI before. Okay, YUMI version. So after clicking there, you will be redirected to save this file, and then click on save. So after clicking on save, you will see it has already been downloaded. Just simply double click on it, and after clicking here, you need to click on run anyway, and then after clicking here you will have another option where you should select yes. After selecting yes, you have to wait for another few seconds because it will take permission from you. Now it's all about you. If you have the pen drive that I have shown you, just plug it in. Okay, after plugging it, if you refresh, or it will automatically be connected to this software, and simply go to the downstairs, and after going there from this side you will see there are different options. So simply click on Windows 11 as I'm installing Windows 11 ISO, but if you would love to select this one, then you must need to download the software which is called Windows 10. Okay, just I'm going to click on browse ISO. So I need to browse this one, or you can download from here as well. Okay, and if you have already downloaded, just simply click on browse for ISO, and as I have got that one, so I'm going to select my ISO file from here. Well done. Okay, so I need to go to the drive, and you can see this has been downloaded before along. So I'm selecting this one. After selecting, you need nothing but just clicking on add to USB drive. Okay, so simply click on it, and then you can see it will be deleted. That means all the data from your pen drive will be erased. So it's better not to take a backup from your pen drive, otherwise you will lose your data. Just simply click on yes, as you have taken maybe the data backup, so make sure, otherwise you will lose it. So we have to wait for a few moments. I guess it will take 10 minutes, up to 10 to 15 minutes, because it fully depends on me, or depend on my pen drive, like how much the pen drive is, or is, if it is bootable, or if it is okay. So let's wait for a few more minutes until or unless we are getting the final on. Okay, now you can see it is done and it's ready. to go for the installation, you need nothing but just unplugging the pen drive, and simply unplug your pen drive, and then you will see it is ready. Let's test the pen drive first. If we see the pen drive from here, okay, then we will be able to see, yes, it's ready, and your Windows 10 is ready there as well. Okay, let's see, Windows installers is here. Take your pen drive off and just simply take your laptop as well. So this is my one. Now I'm going to install. Let's see. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope you got the real process, and if you do so, why not to subscribe this channel, because we are going to show you how to install this one on your computer. Thank you.